Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Daria from Kaya Academy, and also welcome to this video. So what we're gonna do today is this app. Welcome to How to Do Anything. I mean, when they say anything, I mean they mean it. The reason why I'm saying this is because the name of the app is like, yes, it's How to Do Anything, but the logo is like deep web, like deep web, so I have downloaded the app and this is what I have. Thank you for download How to Do Anything. Everything is organized. That's what they're saying. We can be creative. We can download any content, keep it in our device to watch it on offline mode, which is good. We can favorite, give our reactions. Take your freedom. Subscribe with a small price and take your freedom by remove all ads. These ads, I'm sick of them, to be honest. I'm gonna say done. Okay. Allow permission. Okay. Allow. Alright, we are here. All languages, I would like to go with English and Turkish. Select, because I don't want to see something that I don't actually understand. So I think there is this admin and he is sharing these things, as I can see from here. Okay, let's go. Let me try to figure out, right? Are you forgetting for the dark or light side? I'd like to see this. So as you can see, when we clicking on them, we have all this things. We have, oh, that's good. So also what we can do here, we can rate this guide like 4, 5, but for this we have to log in, which I'm not gonna do now. And as you can see, it has not been rated by users yet. You can comment or you can favorite it, right? When you've done it, I'm pretty sure that there's a place that we can like it. So let's go to the main page. Alright, so I think it's pretty obvious what we have here. Or maybe like you see shocking subliminal messages and famous logos. Maybe you really don't have the time. So what you actually can do could be this. You can like it and you will be able to get to those later, like this. You're gonna go to your liked and you see they're already here. So this was our feed. These are the latest ones. Let's go to the flame popular ones. So the real truth about chakras. 10 signs you're a shaman and don't know. Wait, oh, okay. 10 reasons porn addiction is an epidemic. 16 people with real superpowers. So you can get to those ones, you can see those ones, you can read them, you can like them, you can leave comments. But I have realized something. No one actually have left any comments. You can also share it, by the way, with your friends if you want to. But I haven't realized any comments, to be honest. Maybe you see 684 views. I mean, are you doing this to me too? Because you guys are never leaving me comments. Please leave me some comments. Please. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. I don't know. I liked it. So, what else we can see? Let's see what else. We have this video to follow. We have to log into our account. They have categories which we cannot see. I don't know why. Okay, maybe we should log in. So let me log in. Maybe these features will be opening. I'm gonna log in with my Facebook. Login failed. Okay. Alright then, let me log in with something else. Let me try at least. Not now. Let me log in with something else because you didn't let me to use my Facebook. but it is telling me the only thing I can use to log in is my Facebook. I don't know, guys, like, it's not working. I didn't like. But rather than that, even though that feature, maybe it's my problem, operation has been cancelled. Yes, I have realized that. I don't know why it happened like that. I cannot reach categories. Please, if the owner of this app is watching this video, make this correct. But rather than that, I think I like it, because it's like, it's not like dark web like that, or deep web, but it's like those spirits, witch, we have this witch thing going on these days, like, I don't know, magics. You can find things about it. If it, like, it's, you don't have to go and look for them online, and you can just come here and try to find things here, I think. But I thought it would be better than this, because I'm also reviewing these apps for the first time with you guys most of the time, unless the app needs a lot of details and I want to be more helpful. Most of the time I look at the instructions and all that, and if it is easy, I just review it with you. And I don't know, I wish I would have reviewed it earlier, so I could have say, I would have not say, oh, this amazing app. Yes, it is good, it is nice that you can find those topics and you can be like, okay, I don't really need to Google these things. Now I just have them under my hand. But I wasn't even able to connect with my Facebook, which I think, and this is the only way that you can actually connect, like, sign in. I don't know. I didn't like it, to be honest. And let's see what they have in their settings. You can have push notifications, which is on by default, or you can clear cache. Like, maybe you have, currently we have 11.3. You can clear all of them by just clicking on it. Okay, but I'm pretty sure this app is like going to get better by time, because like it has some things to offer. So alright then, so let me ask you guys a question. What are you guys thinking about witches? The real time witches, I'm talking about those ones we see in TikTok. And are you a witch? And if you are, like, why did you become a witch? Or were you just born as one? Let me know in the comments so we can get to know each other a bit more. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to answer my question. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. Subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in my next videos.